Hi, this is Jill Swan from Spoontown, the largest gathering of spoon carvers in the south of England. I wanted to talk to you about the village of Stelling, Minnis, where the event's going to be held. It's a marvellous spot. There's lots of lovely walks, incredible walks on the Minnis. It's 125 acres of land that the public can use, although the land is privately owned. The village dates back to the 14th century and it hasn't really changed much since the 30s, when I think the last spate of building went on. It's about 500 people here all in all, and I've only been living here for a short while, but it's the best thing I ever did. We're going to walk towards the event now from the shop, just to show you how easy it is to get here. It's a very, very nice day, early spring day today, and we're hoping that you'll come and enjoy us. We're hoping that you'll come and join us in the summer when we have the event over at Nola Farm. The website is www.spoontown.co.uk. I hope to see you there. Thank you.